guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Fontana Monique. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm going to be showing you how I bleach this wig from a natural color to a blonde color. So stay tuned. I'm locking down the wig using the fabric pins. To bleach the knots, I'm going to be using the 30 cream developer and the basic white powder. When mixing the basic white powder and developer, you want to use a thicker consistency. I'm going to set my timer to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it out using the Isoplus shampoo. Make sure to get all the product off the wig. And then I'm going to let the wig air dry. Now I'm going to section off the wig to start the bleaching process. I'm using the 30 cream developer and a basic white powder. Set the timer for 20 minutes. Rinse off the product and wash the wig and allow the wig to air dry. Now using the 40 cream developer with the basic white powder, I'm going to start bleaching the top of the wig. And for the rest of the wig, I'll be using the 40 cream developer and the basic white powder. Set my timer for 20 minutes. Rinse off the product, and I'm going to shampoo the wig. Now you want to condition the wig. Leave the conditioner on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse out the conditioner. Next, I'm going to soak the wig in silicone mix and let it soak for a couple hours. After soaking for a couple hours, I'm going to put the wig under the dryer for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse off the silicone mix and allow the wig to air dry. Now the wig is dry, I'm going to install the wig. And I didn't install the wig in this video, but go over to my previous videos and I have videos showing you how I install my wigs. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Any questions you have about this wig, leave that information in the comments section. Again, thank you for watching my video.